send a finger to your mama in some FedEx boxes. Open up, that shit is jaw dropping, really shocking.
Wait a minute. Are you watching this vlog and not subscribed? Please tell me you at least liked the tutorial. While I paid big money for this animation, at least you can do is like and subscribe, and if you really like it, share it. Thanks, appreciate it, metalheads. Today we are going to learn about stick welding. Yes, stick welding, an ancient art that started in 3000 BC in a far away galaxy called Weldon. Haha, I'm joking, just something on Earth we call a little sense of humor. Now let's get into this stick welding process. And tell me what you think in the comments.
In arc welding, the material to be welded is grounded to the generator, either directly or through a metal table on which the work is placed. The electric current is transmitted to the rod holder through a heavy cable. Touching the rod to the work completes the circuit and causes a spark, or arc. The intense heat of the arc melts both the metal and the welding rod, causing them to fuse together. In shielded arc welding, the welding rod is coated with a special substance which forms a gas. The gas shields the molten metal from the oxygen and nitrogen in the atmosphere, thus preventing impurities from forming. A weld of high quality is the result. When it is unnecessary to add metal to the joint, only the metal being welded is melted, and a carbon rod or electrode which does not melt is used. The mask worn by electric welding operators protects the face as well as the eyes. The electric arc gives off ultraviolet rays, so there must be no bare skin exposed, and clothing must be worn which will protect the operator from burns. Proper ventilation is necessary for all indoor welding. In production work, the welding operator may work on only one kind of material, held in a jig or form, and with just one kind of welding equipment. The operator may become highly proficient in specialized work and still not qualify as a skilled welder in other types of work. Job welding calls for a greater variety of skills. One time the welder may use the oxyacetylene flame, and another time the electric arc. One job might be welding cast iron, and the next mild steel, and still another a different kind of steel or alloy. The job welder must therefore understand how to work with many materials in order to adjust his equipment correctly and select the right welding rod for each one. If you plan to be a welder, to be successful you must have good eyesight, fine muscular coordination, and because much of the work is strenuous, you should be strong. In addition, a good knowledge of welding principles is necessary, along with practical blueprint reading and some mathematics. Electrical physics and some chemistry will be helpful. Many schools offer elementary shop courses in welding, both during the day and at night. There are many private welding schools. If you decide to attend one of them, investigate thoroughly and select a good one. Many machine parts which used to be cast as one piece are now welded from steel plates. This process provides greater strength with less weight and at lower cost. In the automotive industry, welding is employed in many ways. It has made possible strong steel automobile bodies, as well as the coaches and engine cabs of streamlined trains, lightweight and attractive in appearance. The stout tubular frameworks of airplanes are welded, as are countless other parts, from fuel tanks to landing gears. Such welding is carefully inspected, and if you choose welding as your life work, it will be worth your while to work hard to qualify yourself as an inspector. There are many welding jobs in shipyards. Large hull sections can be welded together in shops, then hauled and hoisted to the ways and welded into a complete hull. Because no rivet holes are necessary, welding is stronger than riveting. Weight, which can be saved by using lighter plates and by eliminating rivets, increases the ship's carrying capacity. Members are welded in constructing large buildings, skyscrapers, bridges, and other engineering projects in place of riveting them. If you like outdoor work, this offers an interesting job in the welding field, as do many other types of job welding. Pipeline welding should also interest you. Welding crews travel across the country, welding lengths of pipe together. This work, too, is carefully inspected, and you will have to pass special welding tests before you can do pipeline welding, or weld any other high-pressure equipment, such as steam pipes or boilers. New applications of welding are continually being employed in many industries, and as a result, the welding field will probably continue to grow. For the welding operator who develops real skill, there are good opportunities.